I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. We got a little frosty day today, but we're still selling a lot of coaches. Today we're going to look at a 2008 BT Touring Cruiser. This is a 5316, so it's 31 feet, and it's a B plus Class C style coach. This is really rare. This is on the Workhorse chassis. So it's got the GM motor instead of the Ford motor. So if you're a GM guy, I got one for you. Pretty rare. It's going to have the push button Weather Pro awning. So you push a button, the awning opens. It gets too windy, it'll automatically close up. It's got some great storage. Oh, that one's locked. Here's our fixed propane tank. 6-gallon gas water heater. So on our back cap here, we've got our tow hitch. These are our proximity alarms. They tell us how close we are to somebody. We've got our backup camera up towards the roof here, so we can see what's going on behind us. Yep, all of our compartment storage is locked. My apologies, folks. Here's the other side of our driver's side with our main slide out for the living room. Our power cord is stowed away in here. And you'll notice with the Workhorse chassis, the Chevy front cap, it's got a little bit more of an angular design. It looks really sharp. Let's go inside and take a look. Love the finish on the front end of this coach. This does have the older style 08 TV, which is a tube type TV. They can be swapped out very simple if someone wants to. Here's our theater surround DVD player with bass speaker. Up front we've got our cab area, the Chevy cab, with our backup monitor and DVD CD player. Tow haul mode. We've got our living room here. We've got a nice sofa, our booth dinette. We've got seating for quite a few people. We even have an extra barrel chair here. This is hard mounted with seat belts in it, so people can actually ride safely in it. So we've got solid surface countertops in our kitchen here. Nice sinks, all stainless steel. Good covers, nice snug fit. They also act as a cutting board on the reverse side. Really nice. This is an all wood coach. There's no particle board in the construction of this coach for the finishes. Great storage underneath the stove, nice 3-burner stove. You can put some really good sized pots and pans in here. Here's our good size refrigerator freezer, double door, 8 cubic foot. And right next to that is an adjustable shelf pantry. We've got our corner shower with all the owner's manuals in here. And across from the shower, we've got our potty. The bathroom door is also going to act as a privacy door for our bedroom and our bathroom. Here we've got a queen size bed. We've got windows on each side of the bed. We got some great storage on each side of the bed. We got reading lights. We've got a little bit of everything. It's a good sized coach. 5316 floor plan is the model. It's about 31 feet. It's with Guaranty. It was made by Gulfstream. Good family owned company back in Indiana. I'm Roger with Guaranty in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Thanks you for your time. If you have any more questions, give me a holler.